Good morning. It's bin day. The washing machine is on. Perfect day for a vlog. Hi. It's been a minute or two since we last spoke. I'm sat here in an ancient Serdar Hayfield Aran jumper. I made it. I love it. It's like a tunic, and you can fit many layers underneath it, and there's a couple of layers I can put on top of it if need be. But it's 11.7 degrees in here in a minute, so I'm not too worried about that right now. I've got a day off, which is nice, but annoyingly I need to drop something off at work that I took in with me yesterday to leave there and put it home with me, so I need to do that. I might go for a walk nearby. The calming sound of the countryside. Machinery. People pay good money for this, you know. I forget that I live in a wonderful part of the world. I always think Dorset's the most prettiest place, but it probably is the most prettiest place. But there is beauty. There is a little drop of wonderful everywhere. Yeah. Looking at knitwear today. I've got some kind of beehivey hat, can't remember the name of it. It might have been beehive. I've got a Serdar Hayfield Aran ancient pattern tunic in the colour rusty. I love this jumper, it's so warm, and I do have hand knitted socks on my feet, but you can't see them because I think my leggings are over the top of them, but they are I love you more than pumpkin spice socks, knit in the witchy long stockings, like I say, Pippi long stockings, and that made me think of Girl with Dragon Tattoo. If you do, if you know, you know. Yeah. This is a pond where you can sometimes see a heron. There's some quacks down there, and some geese up there. Oh, I don't know if you can see them. I think they're going to go that way. Oh no, they're going that way. I have no idea if I've actually called that. Oh, there's some quacks over there. Yep, quacks. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. I hope I'm talking loud enough, because I don't want to talk too loud that people can hear me. What an absolute corker of a day. I really hope you can see what I see, which is just beauty, let's be honest. How amazing. And then, oh, it looks better from further down. I fall over my own feet. Such a beautiful day, honestly. There's no one around. The grass is so green. The sky is so blue. Like, it's just utterly wonderful. And it's the 1st of February, guys. I always say the year doesn't start till February. Here we are. This is why, my friends. Oh, gorgeous. height because they're quite large and they hover in the updrafts. I don't know if you can see him, but there he is hovering, looking for his prey. I doubt we'll see him catch anything. I don't have much battery either, so he's gonna have to deal with this, I think. You can't go under it, you can't go over it, you've got to go through it. Survived.